Stories of Autistic Success, Daryl Hannah. When Hannah was a child, the world felt too loud, too bright, and too fast. She would rock back and forth to calm herself. She found peace in spending time alone, when she could imagine other worlds in her mind, places where she didn't feel overwhelmed. Darla was not just shy, she had autism, though this was not well understood when she was young. Born in 1960, Hannah grew up in Chicago. She struggled in school with social situations. Crowds, loud noises made her feel anxious. She had a hard time looking people in the eye and speaking in front of groups. These common traits for some autistic people include overstimulation, social anxiety, and stimming to feel calm. As she grew up, Hannah escaped into movies and stories. She loved watching films and imagining herself in different roles. Acting became her safe place. Between the ages of 20 and 25, her career took off. She landed big roles in famous movies like Blade Runner and Splash. At just 23, she was working with major actors and directors in Hollywood. But being a movie star wasn't easy. Press tours, interviews, red carpet events were terrifying to her. She avoided talk shows and media attention as much as possible. She sometimes missed out on big roles, big parts, because the directors felt she was too quiet and anxious. She faced rumors that she was difficult, odd. But the simple truth is, she was autistic and needed space to feel safe. She learned to cope by choosing her projects carefully. She focused on roles that let her act without much public pressure. Outside of acting, she became an environmental activist and used her fame to speak out about climate change and animal rights. She lived in a solar-powered home and even got arrested for a peaceful protest. Later in life, she finally felt comfortable to share that she was autistic. She spoke out to help others understand that autism isn't something to be ashamed of. She explained that her imaginary world, her sensitivity, and her quiet nature were all part of who she is, and helped her succeed in her own way. Hannah's story shows that success doesn't always look the same for everyone. With creativity, courage, and understanding, she built a life that worked for her. And you can build a life that works for you. Are you a young adult autistic, stuck at home and struggling to become more independent? Then the Autistic Bridge to Independence is just what you've been looking for. It's a 5 ebook guide to your independence. Check the link below and get it today. It will pay you over and over and over again all your life. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.